Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus. I am here at 10-12 Bettez Street. This is Unit 3B here in West Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a third floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, and we're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the central kitchen. So the kitchen area does house the main entryway to your unit. It leads to one of the two bedrooms, or I'm sorry, it actually leads to both bedrooms and the living area. But back to the kitchen itself, brand new vinyl wood flooring. This is the same flooring you'll see in the living area and bathroom. And a nice fresh paint job all throughout the unit. Kitchen houses plenty of storage with lots of cabinet space all around, and you also have an additional pantry closet. On top of that, kitchen houses all stainless steel appliances. This includes the 4-burner stove and oven, medium-sized refrigerator, and dual bin sink. So that is essentially your kitchen area. Let's go ahead and check it from another angle. Give you guys a good view from this side over here. Right over there is the pantry closet. Pretty good sized kitchen area. Next, let's go ahead and check out the living area. So, like I said previously, living space does house the brand new vinyl wood flooring and fresh paint job. A nice wide open window, lots of sunlight coming into this living area. It's a pretty good size. You have a lot of opportunity for furniture setups and a good amount of outlets too for, an entertainment system, TV, whatever you like to plug in here. Again, good amount of outlets. And on top of that, the living area also houses a closet space in the corner, so you have a little bit of additional storage in here as well. Excellent, so that is the living area. Let's check out the bedrooms next. So we're gonna start with this bedroom right here. This one is right next to the living area. As you can see, houses a laminate tile flooring. And the thing with this bedroom is it is connected to the bathroom. So, use it as a bedroom if you must. But I could also see this doubling as a pretty good office area. But if a bedroom is what you need, it still works as that. I think a standard to full bed set is pretty good in here. You do have the closet space behind the door over there. So this is your first technical bedroom. Again, also pretty good as an office space if you're one single person moving in here. But use it as you must. Before we check out the bathroom though, let's go check out the second bedroom. So this bedroom is actually it's right next to the main entryway to your unit. You got a vinyl wood flooring in here as well, different type, fresh paint all throughout. This bedroom, I think you could fit a queen bed set in. I think it's a pretty good size bedroom, so queen bed set should be able to work just fine. Of course, it does have its own closet space right behind the door over here. So again, this is a much more optimal bedroom. Up to a queen, should be able to work perfectly in here. All right, last but not least is the bathroom. So it is a smaller bathroom, but still functions pretty well. Honestly, the only reason the size is a little cut down is just because of the slanted ceiling, so just be aware of that. But again, new vinyl wood flooring, fresh paint. Got a sink area over here. Good sized mirror vanity up above. And you have the full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go. Great. So once again, this is 10-12 Bettez Street, Unit 3B, here in West Warwick, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have published on our website, and of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.